everyone! How are you today? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to unboxing HP. My husband ordered this in Amazon because our old printer is not working properly, so we bought a new one. This is the A4 paper. This is A4. This is included. And this is ink. Ouch. This is the ink. It's also included. Oh, it's sticky. This printer is Uunboxing. The name is Uunboxing Pro. This is the brand HP. It's really nice to have the new printer because especially if you are working at home, it's more convenient and useful. So it's really important to have a printer at home because we need printer. It has a wire. Oh, it also have included the ink inside. It's free. Two pieces. The black and this is, I think, yeah, color black. Free. We ordered this in Amazon yesterday. We bought a new one because we want to print something. We want to print something on our files, but the old printer is not working, so we bought a new one. There you go. This is our new printer. It's nice. I like it. He ordered straight away this printer because you see, because of our files, we need to have copy and we need to print. The old printer is still good. We can use it. We can use that one, the old one, but the problem is the ink ran out, so better to buy a new one. So my husband chose this Uunboxing. The brand is Uunboxing. HP Pro 6420. Yeah, so let's try this one if it's good. Very nice, I like it. We miss our printer in Kuwait. We have a very nice printer, but we send them all in the Philippines. We send them to the kids, my kids. They are using the printer there in the Philippines. Yeah, so let's put this one. I will connect this to the electric, to the wire and everything. Then I will turn on the power.
Find HP Pro 640. Would you like to connect to Wi-Fi? Yes. So now it's connected to Wi-Fi. connect this to the network. So it's working. Okay, so meron na siyang Wi-Fi. Tingnan mo, nag-blue na siya. The blue is changed. Nag-color blue na, yan. So now it's connected. We can print now. Allow. Continue.
Connected to continue printing. Okay, it's all connected. So now I'm gonna start printing this files. Okay, it's all working now. Yay! My new HP NV 620. It's all okay now. It's working. It's working. Ayan siya guys. Meron siyang another printer here. You can photocopy also this one here, and also here. You can make it large like that, open and close. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be updated to all my upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Bye. Thank you for watching.